So in this video, we're going to look at the replace function in SQL. So let's create a task for ourselves and imagine a hypothetical situation that you're heading a company and suddenly because of financial crunch, you are completely eliminating the R&D department. And all of the people in the R&D department are now being absorbed into the sales department because those are the people who developed the products which are eventually sold. Now you are faced with a situation that you had a whole lot of employees in your R&D department, and it becomes a complete waste of time to manually go and change their employee codes because their second, third, and fourth characters represented their department. Now, the task at our hand is that if by some way we can replace these R&D words with the SAL words, alphabets, we have the job done. Because since the people will now shift to the sales department, although they might not be happy about it, but we really want the employee codes to be shifted to that of the sales one. Now, to achieve such kind of a situation, we use the replace function. And to achieve that, we use say beginning with go ahead with the normal variable name which I want to return in my results, and then use the replace function. This was a this normal employee code is the previous one that would be in that would won't really show up in the new ones because you are changing up the R&D to the sales one. But I am just keeping it for reference for making things very clear. So when I use the replace function, I need to type in the variable on which I am going to replace this. After comma, I need to type in the string that needs to be searched in the employee code which needs to be changed. And we know that it is R&D. So we need to change the words R&D to something else. Now that something else forms part of the third argument of the replace function, and we need to change it into SAL. And we do go ahead with the closing brackets as and we write new employee code. So we would have let's remove the where statement. And so what we're trying to achieve here is that we're going to look into the paycheck employee data table over here. We are going to do away with the employee code and introduce a new one which goes by the name of a new employee code, and which has been accomplished using this function. But I'm still keeping the older employee code just to make things sure. So let's run this code. So there you go. So the first column is the original employee code, and the second column is the new employee code that has been changed by replacing the words R&D with SAL. And if you notice, all of the occurrences of R&D have now changed to SAL, which is quite apparent in this one right over here, and even over here. All of the R&D alphabets have been changed to SAL. So this is all about the replace function in SQL. Thank you for watching.